Hey guys, this is Ron with Impress Computers, and today I want to talk a little bit about custom gaming computer builds and cable management. This guy had a solid state drive that you're looking at right there. On top of this, he had it loose because he didn't know if it came with the caddy or not. But I want to show you this case right here. All the caddies, if you look on the sides, you're gonna have like a kind of like a bracket that you can actually pull it out where it sticks onto the hard drives. If you pull this out, you're gonna have a couple of holes right here. That's to fit the solid state drive, guys. On the other hand, he had every single cable on top, which will make a lot of heat. So if you're doing gaming, he's doing also video recording, it will make a lot of heat, and it can make it bad for the computer itself. If you have any questions about custom gaming or video cable management on a custom computer build, please give us a call at 281-647-9977. Thank you.